Hi students, good morning to all. So today let's discuss about exercise 5.3. So 5.3 already I explained about the identities. What are the identities? Just we need to recall what are the identities is there. So identities, first one is a plus b the whole square. So what is that expansion a plus b the whole square? Instead of a plus b whole square you can take x plus y also. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the expansion of a plus b the whole square. As the same a minus b the whole square. So what is the expansion of a minus b the whole square? A square b square plus b square minus 2ab is the expansion of a minus b the whole square. And another some identities also there, that is a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A square minus b square, expansion of this one is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this is the expansion of a square minus b square. So by recalling this, we using this identities, now we can solve the exercise number 5.3. Exercise number 5.3. Expand the following using suitable identities. So first one, a plus 7b the whole square. So first question, that is a plus 7b the whole square. So in the first question, a sum a plus 7b the whole square. So in a solution, it is equal to what method? A plus b the whole square method. So in a solution, what I take, a plus b the whole square is equal to, I just write the expansion, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Okay, so here what is the value of a and what is the value of b? So a is nothing but a only and b is equal to 7b. So a plus 7b the whole square, that is a plus b the whole square, is equal to, here I take over, I substitute the value of a and b here also, 2 into a into b. So 2 I take it as it is same, 2 I take it as it is same, 2, and I just take over a b. I need to substitute the value of a and b, but I have to show with a different color. Okay, so now you can see I have to replace the value of a. So a, the value is a only, I just replace a, and b we take it over 7b. So that is 7b 7b square. And next I want to substitute 2 into a into b. So 2 into a into b means 2 into a, the value is a, and b is nothing but 7b. So now you can select, we need to find out everything. A, you have to square the value of a, you get a square, and we need to square the value of 7b, it can be multiplied twice. So if we square a, we get a square plus 7b into 7b is the expansion of 7b square. Okay, plus 2 into a into b. Already you know that multiplication of monomial. So here you just multiply the number 2 sevens are, you get 14. A into b, you get ab. So finally what you need to do, you need to multiply 7b into 7b, you get 7 sevens are 49 b square. 49 b square. So finally you get the answer a square a square plus 49b square plus 14ab. So what is the final answer? You got it, a square plus 49b square plus 14ab. So next we move on to question number C, 4x minus 7 by 2 y the whole square. So which identities here we need to use in a solution? So it is under a minus b the whole square. So the expansion of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. You can written a square minus 2ab plus b square also. So both are same only. So here we need to write what is the value of a and what is the value of b separately. So the value of a is nothing but 4x. Value of a is equal to 4x. What is the value of b? B is nothing but 7 by 2y. So here you need to use some fraction conditions also. When we multiple, we need to use the fraction condition. So you need to expand a square, b square and 2ab and format by substituting the value 4x 7 by 2y. So here I just take over the value 4x minus 7 by 2 y the whole square is equal to a square. A square is nothing but 4x whole square plus b square is nothing but 7 by 2 y. So this is the value of b whole square minus 2 into a into b. So 2 into a into b is nothing but 2 into 4x into 7 by 2y. So 2 into 4x into 7 by 2y. So this is the value. We can take over 2 into a into b. So just to close the bracket. And next you can see how you written 4x whole square. So 4x whole square we can write as multiple twice. So 4 4s are 16. So 4x square we can written in the form. You can split it 4x into 4x as it is same plus 7 by 2y. So 7 by 2y into 7 by 2y. So this is the expansion of we can multiple twice. And next 2 into 4x into, so here you can cancel 2 will get cancelled and remaining what is that 7 into 4x into y. So you get minus 28xy. Minus 28xy is the value. How it is possible? 7 4s are 28, x into y, xy, you get 28xy and plus into minus 28xy is the value. So if you multiple 4x into 4x, already you know how to multiple. So 4 4s are 16, x into x, x to the power 2. So you get 16 x to the power 2 plus, in multiplication you need to multiple numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 7 7s are 49, you got it. 2 2s are 4, you got it. So 16x square plus 49 by 4, y into y, you get y square. Minus finally you got 28xy. So if we multiple, what is the question? 4x minus 7 by 2 y the whole square. 4x minus 7 by 2 y the whole square. If you expand, you get the answer 16x square plus 49 by 4 y square minus 28 xy is the final solution. Next we move on to the second Roman by using other identities. So in second question, use the identities To find the product, use the identities to find the product. 6m minus L by n, 6m plus L by n. A question, 6m minus L by n into 6m plus L by n. It is in the form x plus y into x minus y. So we need to use the identities. This is in the form x plus y and x minus y. It is in the form x plus y, x minus y. So by using this x square minus y square, so this is the format. So here by using these identities we need to find the product. So in a solution we take the identities x minus y, x plus y. So we need to find out the product x square minus y square. So here what is the value of x? X is nothing but 6m and y is nothing but L by n. By using this value we need to find out, we have to find out that identities. So how you can write this? 6m minus L by n, this can be written as 6m plus L by n. So what is the identities here? Use x square y square, that is 6m whole square minus L by n whole square, that is x square minus y square. So how you can written 6m the whole square? So it can be written as 6m into 6m minus L by n whole square, it can be written as L by n into L by n. So already you know that how to multiply the monomial. 6 into 6 you get 36, m into m, the power you need to add in the multiplication with the same base m. So m power 2. You multiply the numerator L into L, you get L power 2, and n into n you get L power 2. So you can written as L by n the whole square. So what is the final answer? You got it 36m square minus L by n the whole square. 36m square minus L by n the whole square, that is x square minus y square. Next we move on to question number 3rd Roman, because second Roman second question you do it as a homework, that is B1, and third Roman we need to find out the product square of the value by using the identities. So third question, find the square of each of the following. A is equal to b minus 1 by 4, 2x plus 3, m plus 5 and r plus s. So these are the numbers, we need to square it. So by using square, what is that? B minus 1 by 4 means it is a minus b the whole square format. 2x plus 3 the whole square means a plus b the whole square format. So I just explain you dears. So you need to square means it become b minus 1 by 4 the whole square, 2x plus 3 the whole square, and also m plus 5n the whole square, and r plus s the whole square. So in this maximum, this Roman, you do it as a homework, because everything under the same identities, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. You know already what is a plus b whole square and what is a minus b whole square, and also a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So you can take over x plus y and x minus y, x plus y into x minus y. Okay, by using this identities you can find the square of each of the following. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை